Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We got a good shave today. We were using some Stripe Gold Shave. La Befana. This was a Christmas release last year. I don't know if it's being released this year. It was released the year before. Excuse me. It is in their Patriot base. I've used it a handful of times. It is a dupe of a Xerjoff fragrance. Can't remember the name of it. But if you don't know, that is a very expensive fragrance house or designer house, whatever. Pretty pricey is my point. We got the matching splash. Whipped it up in the bowl here. We'll see how it turned out. Whoa. Look at that. Just wants to come out. All right. So we bowl lathered this, shizzing it up using the Kent Soaps. Kent Soaps. Kent Designs Moonsoaps Leaf Lads brush. Awesome brush, my boy DK. You may see this on his channel occasionally. Oh yeah. It's nice. I may want to add some water. It looks like it has a good sheen, but I like just a little bit more. Oh, maybe we're fine. If it doesn't fall off the razor blade, I will want to add more water. That's just, I'm a bloop guy, and it just flung all over the bathroom. Maybe it's a blooper, and I don't need it. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a, you know what? Got a towel down here I can just use. All right, it's just getting everywhere, guys. Kind of line it up a little. Use the Lancaster over here to dry the hands. And get to what I can't wait to show you guys. Ralf Aust, 6/8, faux silver inlay, ebony scales, rosewood wedge. Some pretty wicked spine work going on there. And guys, look how loose this is. I spent 5 minutes trying to tighten the pins and didn't tighten it at all. So that's an issue in my opinion. Oh, got a little bit of water down right by that. So, but yeah, it's a little, I don't like the looseness. I may try to take the pins out and try to redo it myself, but picked this up from Razor Emporium over a year ago, Black Friday sale. The edge on this is that 20K Sahiro, which is nice. Okay, for my taste I could have had a little bit more hydration, but still well hydrated. Edge is feeling good. I haven't shaved this razor in a long time. You may get a little stropping. I didn't strop it beforehand, but I normally strop blades before I put them away. But I haven't used this in so long. Maybe I need to do it again. We're gonna add just a little bit of water. Some of the sheen looked like it was coming down off of that. All right. Sorry guys, we're moving a little slow today. So I need to get back to honing. Not doing it like I should be. When I was really thinking about it, and trying these 20K Sahiro blades, or edges shall I say, that may be a synthetic. I'd be happy using. And as y'all know, this is the area that goes straight up and sticks, you know? So there we go. So yeah, I need to try to do an edge. I think in January I'm going to try to hone a razor a week at least. No, we're going to add just a little bit more water for it. Just a little. I know it was plenty bloopy, but it just wasn't rinsing off the way I wanted. But I mean, we do have a luxurious looking lather. Nice and shiny. Nice and dense. Great face feel. And we did hit that area I've opened up before. This Befana is a great scent. I'm using it because it was one of the scents my boy Shady was asking about. He saw it on TRC, the EDP, and I think he picked it up. He also asked about the weight, and I was going to use it, found the Splash, and then Befana Soap tub popped into my hand before I found the weight tub. So, Befana it is. Both sounded great to use today. Great for wintertime, great for cool weather, just awesome scents in my opinion for that. So we're gonna all right. It feels pretty okay, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna strop it just a little. Ah, man, and it's such loose scales. Like, man, that's the problem with loose scales, guys, is when you go to flip it on stropping, it's hard to hold the razor so that you don't have that issue. Like this time I just did 6. Great. Just cut my strop. Show you guys, I've never done this to a strop. Just did it my first time. Cause the fucking the scales moved on me. Not happy about that. Fuck. That's my razor Emporium strop. It's an $85. Horse Russet. Which I'm a fan of. Like, I have an English bridle and everything, and that's my go-to strop. And I just fucked it up. Frustrated now, can y'all tell? Cut my damn strop. And I mean, they went through it fast. So we've got areas down here that are starting to bleed. If we do remember correctly, my last shave had a lot of blood everywhere. So these are things that haven't healed up from the last time I shaved. All right. Still pissed about that fucking strop. Frustrating, guys. But beautiful razor. Edge is nice. Even though I cut the strop, it's still cutting. I'll probably send it off to David. The next batch to be honed. Just because I know I destroyed that edge. Magic Mike ends up watching this video. He's gonna be like, dude, you fucked that edge up and then you still shaved with it. And you would be right. I'm sure there's issues with the edge after doing that to the strop. All right, wipe it off. Boom, done. Make sure there's no water anywhere. Set it down over here on another soap tub. We're gonna rinse up and I'll be right back, guys. All right, and we're back, guys. So we did a rinse up, no alum used. Pretty much looks like it's cleaned up, stopped bleeding. Like I said, I had some issues with that last shave, if y'all did see it. Followed up with the Splash. I don't know if his Splash still has it, but Splash used to have alum. Pretty sure this one has alum in it as well. I know I didn't put the scent notes up, but I'm talking about it in the beginning. I'll try to pull up a bottle of the fragrance it's a dupe of, show a picture of that. And maybe I'll throw scent notes up there too. But it's nice. It's a really nice scent, just looking. Yeah, nothing's bleeding. Shadowing just looks bad on the screen here coming back. I was like, is that blood? No, it wasn't blood. Still awesome. 100 milliliters. 100 milliliters. I thought we were doing, I don't know. I have to look into it. Our Splash is normally like, okay, they're all 100 mil. PAA is 100 mil as well. That's 3.7 ounces. I thought they were 4 for some reason. What the hell do I know? Anyways, Kent Designs Leaf Lads for those of us boys who love our tobacco scents. Really do enjoy it. Love the coin on the bottom. Kent Designs makes some stellar brushes. He actually put one out and dropped it recently that I wish I would have gotten it, but funds are what they are and couldn't afford it. Maybe one day I can be like, hey man, is there any way you can make this again? Maybe he'll make it happen, because I've still got a brush he's done that for. Yeah, I've got, actually, technically this is kind of that too. So I've got 2 brushes he's remade for me, and he's pretty awesome that way. So all right, guys, if you watched this far, thank you. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful week.